dishes and desserts.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a super simple appetizer that everyone loves, cheesy sausage wonton cups. It starts out using just little wonton wrappers that you bake in a mini muffin tin until they're nice and crispy, and then you fill them with a mixture of ranch dressing and sausage and cheese, black olives and peppers, and it bakes and gets all bubbly hot, and it is delicious. It's great for football parties, holiday parties, any kind of get together, or when you just need something different. So let me show you just how easy they are to make. We are going to start by browning some sausage. I'm just using regular breakfast sausage here, but you can use whatever your family enjoys. Once the sausage is cooked, we're going to remove it from the heat and drain away any fat that there is and let it cool. Once it is cool, we will mix in cheddar cheese and Monterey Jack cheese. We're also going to add in some ranch dressing and sliced black olives. Today I'm using a jalapeno pepper, but you could also use a fresno pepper, a serrano pepper, whatever kind of spicy pepper you can find. And if you want to reduce the heat of the pepper, you can remove the seeds and the ribs from it before you chop it and add it to the mixture. We're gonna mix that until it's well combined, and then I'm just gonna set it in the fridge until we're ready to use it. Next, we're gonna make our mini wonton cups. We are gonna use a mini muffin tin. I like to spray it with nonstick spray to help the wrappers come out after they're cooked. And then we're gonna just gently press in the wonton wrappers into each muffin tin. Then we're gonna gently press in the wonton wrappers into each muffin cup. You wanna be really careful not to let the wonton wrapper tear, so take your time and be gentle. After these are all set up, we're gonna put them in the oven and bake for just a few minutes until they get lightly golden brown and crispy. Now that those are browned, we are gonna fill them with our sausage mixture. Just scoop in a little bit of filling into each cup, and then we're gonna bake them again for about 5 minutes until it gets nice and hot and bubbly and all the cheese is melted. Then they're ready to serve. Just take them out of the oven and put them on a tray. Your guests are gonna love these. They are best served hot, but even room temperature, they are great. So they are perfect to set out for parties or other events. I hope you guys like these. These are gonna be a hit at your next party. You can head on over to Dinners, Dishes, and Desserts to get the full recipe.